Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you one of the best places I found to research just about anything pertaining to your RV, from the manufacturer, chassis, engine, and you get pretty much good solid advice from here. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So the place that I go to for research on anything related to my RV is, first of all, I would go to the manufacturer's forum, and most RV companies do have a dedicated site, and I'll show you a couple of ours that we use. So we have a For Travel, and the forum that we use is this For Forums, and as you can see, that it has tech talk, just general discussion, and then renovation. So this is a really good place. I'm usually in the tech area researching different things. There's a wealth of knowledge in here, and I would imagine that just about any manufacturer that's worth their salt has something similar to this, and I think it's an excellent resource. You don't want to go to Facebook and ask a question, because Facebook, you get so many people who think they're comedians out there, and you ask what something does and they'll give you stupid answers, and it's not what you're looking for, and then everybody has varying opinions. These kind of groups are pretty well moderated, so I find that I trust them a lot more. Now let's look at another one that I use. This one's called RVIntoRetirement, and as you can see here, the first section just is mostly just general discussion and RV related information, but where it really digs down is when you get to the motorhome forums or the travel trailer, fifth wheel, and truck camper forums. You can dip into any of them. So let's jump into the Class A motorhome discussion. And then once you're in that, they have a whole bunch of different things about Aquaha. These are more general questions, but you can see that if you scroll down even further, there's the owner's corner. And so they have Alpine Coach, Integra, Excel, Fleetwood, Forest River, For Travel, and just about any manufacturer is listed here. And again, I find these groups are well moderated, that you're not going to find a lot of crazy answers and a lot of things that are sending you all over the place. And even further down, you can see there's a chassis form. So if you have a Ford chassis, Freightliner, Roadmaster, Spartan, Sprinters, or Chevy chassis, you can see the forums there on that. And still even further down, there's powertrain forums. So on this, you can see that there's Cummins and Navstar and Allison and Caterpillar and just about any manufacturer that you could think of. If you have questions, I would use these sites as my first resource. I'd avoid asking on Facebook. I'm not saying that there's not knowledgeable people on Facebook. I just think they send you in so many different directions, and people are very critical of others on Facebook too. That's the other thing I see, is that they put you down for not knowing, and it's just not right. I think that all of us have something to learn. I learned something new just about every day, and I don't know why people do that on those forums. Some of the other areas to gain knowledge is obviously from YouTube. You're here watching this channel, and a lot of our channel is dedicated to things that we actually experience and use and fix in our RV. And there's a lot of good YouTubes out there that will show you step by step how to research and repair something, and they're extremely helpful. You just need to be a little selective. Getting back to the subject of doing research, there's a lot of blogs out there on your particular RV manufacturer. I suggest that you join those and look at them. Another place to research are part stores, and a lot of them have diagrams that are really informational, will help you troubleshoot whatever issue you're having with your RV. We recently had to change a toilet in our RV, and it wasn't just a regular toilet, it was a macerator toilet, and it wasn't made anymore. And there's a company out there, it's called marinesand.com, that was very helpful. They had a lot of diagrams and manuals on their site, and they eventually helped me on the phone to choose the replacement. And one thing you may find is when you have an older RV, a lot of these things have been improved and upgraded, and what your particular model may not be in service anymore. And so we had to go through a little bit of a retrofit. That's our information for today. I hope you find it useful. If you could, please hit that like and subscribe button, because we're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. Any comments that you have, leave them in the comments below. It does help the algorithm search, and it'll help other people find our videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next week. Have a great week, everybody, and safe travels.